All right, everyone, you can kind of judge for yourselves and figure out which one you like better when it comes to the screens. I want to do a brightness test because I really wasn't able to see what I wanted online. So I figured might as well do my own video because people may be experiencing what I'm experiencing. So on your left, you have the kind of what we call the mini switch. Take a look at that. You see the brightness on there. You can't really make that out unless you do a little bit like that. Um, this is the second one. This is the one that's the Animal Crossing version of it. So that way you can actually see the brightness on that. And then of course it's the OLED version right here on the third one. So you can kind of actually see the difference between each one. If I actually go back and forth, you can definitely see that there is a color difference on which one. Um, my preference is definitely this new OLED display because you can actually see how much of a difference that one is compared to the other two. Other than that, you really can't tell, but I just wanted to make sure that we all did see a brightness test to understand that the OLED is definitely much, much brighter, much beautiful display. And you guys can kind of judge for yourself. I'm going to go into the settings on that one. Screen brightness. And you can see that it's actually at its maximum with the auto brightness off. So that way you can see that. It's the same thing for the rest of them. You got that as well. Screen brightness. So that way you can actually see the difference in that. I'm sure there's other features, but I just wanted to make sure you guys actually saw a quick video on the brightness test on each one. Click on this, so that way you can actually see that that brightness is coming straight through. That way you can kind of figure out which one you want to get. That way you actually have some happy shopping time. You can definitely see the differences now in all three, and you can kind of judge for yourself which one you want. I know I probably got the names of each Switch wrong, but the Switch Lite, the Switch with the Animal Crossing version, which is the regular Switch, and of course the OLED Switch, which is the newest one. So Switch Lite left, Animal Crossing Switch, the regular one, middle one, and then the last one is the OLED Switch. So you can see the brightness on that. Then again, one last click so you can actually see what it actually looks like when you actually look at the screens. And there you go. I hope this video is helpful to anyone, and I'm going to start doing more videos. You guys take care of yourselves. Later.